Alright, this is the last video that I've taken on this mini drag bike. I changed out the engine for a JR racing engine, about 25 horsepower. Changed the rear wheel to a 13 by 6.5 by 6. New brakes. Let's see what else. I had to switch the gas tank around because the angle that it's attached to the frame wasn't allowing enough fuel to satisfy my taste for speed. Let's see. I've got 3 on-off switches. The third one is the emergency cord, just in case. Let's see if you can see the engine here. Yeah, JR. So got the front fork stabilizer. It's working really good. I changed that from the right side to the left. There's no binding. It works perfect. This thing's a little monster. I'm gonna run it and have myself radared with my buddy, see just how fast it's going. Anyway, here is the latest version of my mini drag bike. Again, hillbilly here, working with what tools I have, and I plan to take this down to Anna Street, see what I can do, see what it'll do. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll put another video on as I'm racing, or at least have the engine running. Thanks.